Careful with these pack a punch.
Don't worry, I can take care of myself.
It was good, but not great. Again!
Whoever did this is gonna pay.
Hello, this is Detective Grady
and Detective Ethan.
How can we help you?
Detective Ethan and Grady, I need help.
Okay.
We have to go protect Macey. Let's go. All right, we're here. Let's go save Macey. Okay. All right, now we have to go over here. Come on. Okay. Hurry, we have to run.
I really need help to find out who's trying to kill me.
I'm Detective Grady.
I'm Detective Ethan.
We're here to help
We're
you.
here to help you. Don't worry, Macey. We'll help find the killer.
Let's go.
I'm so relieved you're gonna help me. Thank you so much.
Are you bored with your job? Would you like a little more excitement? You want some action?
You're so wise and good looking. We want to be just like you.
We've got the perfect thing for you.
Carley got away, but her daughter must not. It's up to you to finish the job.
We're coming for you, Macey.
Detective Ethan and Grady, I need help. I think I figured out who was trying to kill me. Please, come over.
Thank you. Love you. Bye.
Okay, we'll be right over.
Let's do this.
Hi.
I need to talk to you.
Okay, what's up?
I think someone's trying to kill me. I have 2 detectives on the case right now. They're on the way over.
2 detectives, huh? You're sure they're detectives?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I've had some experience with this, and you just have to be careful who you trust, because there's a lot of sickos out there.
Macey thinks we're detectives. She's so lame.
I think I heard them now. I'll be right back.
Careful. So, whatever.
Hello, detectives. Come on in. The killer is right outside my window. I found the killer. He's right there.
That can't be the killer.
It's our long-lost brother, Hank.
If Hank isn't the killers must be you!
Ha 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 ha! Oh 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 oh!
Get away, killers!
Hey, hurry! Save yourself! Run!
Run, Hank, run!
We're gonna get you at the nature center.
We'll get you once and for all, Macey.
Can't do that for Dad.
Hello, my friends. I love you.
This is our chance to get her once and for all. Let's get her!
I love you guys, but help protect me.
Now fly, my friends, fly! Finally, I can live in peace!
I'll get you, Macey.
She could have been mine.
Just hey, you guys are actors. You gotta do it over and over again. Ready?
What do I say? I really have to try to find.
2, 1, action.
I forgot what to say.
Action. Action. Go.
I need help to find out who's trying to kill me! Someone's trying to kill me and I don't know who.
2, 1, action. Go.
This is our. What? You.